Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and appliances. Today, we're diving into the world of air conditioners, and I'm excited to introduce you to what we believe is the best Midea 6000 BTU air conditioner on the market, the Midea 6000 BTU EasyCool window air conditioner. Now, what makes this particular model stand out? Let's start with its 3-in-1 functionality. Not only does it cool your space efficiently, but it also acts as a dehumidifier and a fan, ensuring maximum comfort all year round. With its cooling power of 6,000 British thermal units, this unit can quickly cool a space of up to 250 square feet, making it perfect for bedrooms, offices, or small apartments. Find your dream home, but what about usability? Well, I'm happy to report that the Midea EasyCool window air conditioner is incredibly user-friendly. The intuitive LED display and remote control allow you to easily adjust settings such as time, temperature, and mode from anywhere in the room. Now, let's talk about energy efficiency. This model is ENERGY STAR certified, meaning it not only saves you money on your energy bills but also helps reduce your carbon footprint. Plus, with features like Eco Mode and an easy timer, you can customize settings to further optimize energy usage according to your needs. Maintenance is also a breeze with the Midea EasyCool. The removable and reusable air filter protects your living space from dust and pet hair, and it's easy to clean, ensuring optimal performance for years to come. Installation is another area where this unit shines. It's designed to fit easily into most existing window frames, and all mounting accessories are included in the package. The installation instructions are straightforward, making it a DIY-friendly project for most users. Now, let's talk about reliability. Midea is the world's #1 air treatment brand, known for its dedication to quality and customer satisfaction. With a 1-year parts and labor warranty, you can rest assured that your investment is protected. So there you have it, folks, the Midea 6000 BTU EasyCool window air conditioner. With its powerful cooling capabilities, user-friendly design, and energy-efficient operation, it's truly the best choice for keeping your space comfortable year-round. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews on the latest products.